Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your Plex server that's hosted on a Synology box. So first you're going to click your main menu, go to your package center, and then go to installed. Click on your Plex media server, and you can see you only have the option to uninstall, stop, or open. And you're going to see a little button here where that says manual install. So go ahead and click on that. And you're going to browse to that package file, which is going to be this one here, which is the latest version. And you can get this off the Plex website, or if you go into your Plex server, you will have a link to that download. So we're going to hit next. Once you hit that, this will come up just saying the publisher is unknown. You can just ignore that, hit yes. And then you can see the newest versions, the 1.6.5, the developers Plex incorporated. You want to make sure that stuff is kind of there. Then hit apply. And it's updating the Plex media server on your Synology box right now. So the Plex server is going to go offline for a minute if you have it linked to a TV or something. So once that's done, you can see now that loading page is gone. You can see Plex is restarting, and you can see it's running again. You can click open to reopen your Plex server, and you should be all set.